Magnificent!
The Flint Stefano must be up there.
A very unpleasant fall. Finish the job, Lockwood.
Yes, sir.
Made it!
Flint Stefano. Look, I'm sorry I have to do this to you. Again. But I can't let your swimming cheese spiders destroy Lady Liberty. Or the world.
Marshmallow.
They're like a family. Wow. Sam was right. This is a mistake.
Oh, dear!
Sir! Sir?
There it is, in all its glory.
Chester, look, I can't do this.
Oh, okay, I will.
What? Wait, Chester, wait. We can't destroy it.
Let go of me, Lockwood.
No, sir. I can't let you do this.
Uh,
No! The BSUSB reprogrammed it?
who's never gonna turn off the machine? A BS USB? Hello? Your machine is what I wanted all along.
You lied to me.
Of course I lied to you. I knew you'd eventually fall for these pathetic creatures.
But you were my idol. My whole life I looked up to you. I wanted to be you.
Oh, Lockwood. I was just using you to get your invention. We're ready. Launch Operation Slice and Dice. And now that I've got what I want, I no longer need you. I'm afraid we're going to have to let you go.
Wait, no, please,